So hello guys, here is another DS18 unboxing video. This time I'm gonna talk about the subwoofer, the DS18 EXL XXB12.2D. This is the packaging box, and let's see what's inside. Already cut open the speaker before the packaging beforehand, just to check it. Let's pour it more to the back. That's the side. Here it is. Let me just remove it from the packaging and let's see how it looks like. So here you have it. It's a 12-inch sub. Dual coil, 2 ohms. The basket is black. This is the magnet. From bottom till this is like 8 inches, 22 centimeters. The magnet is like almost 3.5 inch, 9 centimeters. Almost this has the same I don't know how you call it, the butt lugs, or correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Carbon fiber dust cap. DS18 12-inch sub. It's the EXL XXB12.2D. So that was it for my unboxing video. Like, subscribe, comment. If you want more unboxing videos, tell me in the comments.